Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the highly anticipated global version of the Xiaomi Band 8. This smart bracelet is a game-changer in the world of wearable technology, and I'm here to tell you why you need to get your hands on one. First off, let's talk about the stunning design of the Xiaomi Band 8. With its AMOLED display and sleek metallic mid-frame, this smart bracelet is the epitome of fresh fashion. The 1.62 screen with a 326 ppi resolution and up to 600 nit brightness will deliver a vibrant and clear visual experience like never before. And with 200 different colorful watch faces, you're sure to find the perfect one to match your style. But it's not all about looks. The Xiaomi Band 8 is packed with features to make your life easier. With a battery life of up to 16 days for normal use and 6 days in always on display mode, you won't have to worry about constantly recharging. And don't forget about the 150 sport modes that this smart bracelet offers, making it the perfect fitness companion. But wait, it gets even better. The Xiaomi Band 8 is also your personal health consultant, with 24-hour heart rate monitoring, scientific sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and more. It even has a new running clip mode for a more professional running experience, allowing you to monitor 13 different professional stats to enhance your training. And the best part? The Xiaomi Band 8 comes with an array of stylish straps to choose from, including leather, braided, and even a fashionable chain strap to suit any occasion. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Xiaomi Band 8 and take your fitness and fashion game to the next level. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.